Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Did you listen to the gospel? What was running through your mind while listening to the gospel? Anong naglaro sa inyong isip? I will not be surprised if you thought that's difficult. Mahirap naman yung pinagagawa ng Panginoon. Magpatawad ng kaaway, mahalin mo yung kaaway. Every time na nakikita ko yung nagtaksil sa aking asawa, kumukulo ang dugo ko. Every time na nakikita ko yung kapitbahay kong hindi pa nagbabayad ng utang hanggang ngayon, nagngingit-ngit ako, and then love your enemies. Let us be honest. Many times, the teachings of the Lord are very difficult. And that is why, some leave. They lived. They leave the church. They do not listen to the church anymore. They do not listen to Jesus anymore. They live their own life. Umalis na lang. Hindi na nagsimba. O hindi na Katoliko. Mahirap Mahirap yung pinagagawa ng Diyos. Aalis na lang ako. That's one. The second possible reaction is mamili. Cafeteria Catholic. Food court Catholic. Di ba? Sa mga malls, SM for example, may food court. So punta ka ng food court, tanghalian, anong gagawin mo? Mamimili ka. Eto, kare-kare. Sige, tagal na rin ako hindi kumakain ng kare-kare. Etong, bigyan mo ako ng isang order ng kare-kare. Ayan, ayoko niyan. That is food court. You choose. And some Catholics are like that. We choose what we would like to follow. We choose what we would like to do. If we find it difficult, we ignore. Those easy things, we follow. Magsisimba ako, yes. Magdadasal ako, yes. Pag Friday, nasa Quiapo ako, oo. Pag Wednesday, nasa Baclaran ako. Pag Thursday, nasa St. Jude ako. Pag Linggo, nasa Manila Cathedral ako. Yan, ginagawa ko yan. Magpatawad, forget it. You see? Magpatawad ng kaaway, Lord, pasensya na, hindi ko talaga magagawa. Magdadasal na lang ako. Lalakad ako ng paluhod kung gusto mo. Pero yung magpatawad, sorry na lang. We choose. Either we live or we choose. We choose what we would like to do. Pero hindi ganun Tignan natin ito, sa halimbawa ng mga atleta. Look at Calo Yulo, E.J. Obiena, Heidelin Diaz, and others who won and performed very well in the Olympics. Did they stop practicing because it was difficult? No. Kahit nahirap na yung katawan nila, kahit na gusto nilang mahiga pa ng mas matagal, kahit gusto nilang kumain ng masarap, they forget those things. They sacrifice, even if it is difficult, even if it is hard, even if it is back-breaking, they continue practicing. Why? Because they aspire for gold. Did they choose what to do? Ito, gagawin ko to kasi madali ito. Hindi ko yan gagawin. Mahirap yan. Sabi ng coach, ito ang gawin mo. Coach, mahirap yan Ito na lang gagawin ko. Ang sasabihin ng coach, EJ, Kaloy, Heidelin, gusto mo mag-champion? Do this. They don't have choice. Because they want glory. Ayun ang gustong sabihin sa atin ng Panginoon. Gusto mo maging alagad ko? Eto ang gawin mo. Mahirap, Lord eh. Wala akong magagawa. Yan ang gusto ko. Yan ang daan patungo sa kaligtasan mo. Yan ang daan patungo sa langit. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, if we want an easy life, forget following Jesus. Because discipleship will always entail carrying one's cross. Nasa sa inyo yun. Kung ayaw nyo, umalis kayo. O kaya piliin nyo lang yung gusto nyo. Piliin lang yung natin yung madali. Pero wag tayong umasa na papasok tayo ng langit. Sabi nga yung nagbabait-baitan, papasok sa langit-langitan. Hindi totoong langit kasi hindi totoong mabait. It is very difficult to be a disciple of Jesus. But there is no other way. Kaya nga sa misang ito, hilingin natin sa Panginoon, Lord, tulungan mo ko. Help me with your grace. Strengthen me with your grace, that I may do what you want me to do, even if it is difficult. Amen.